All right, guys. So today was a day, but time for a progress report in that we have some things and it's a lot better. I did have to spend 5 hours rebuilding my database because of, that's just part of it. I was making great progress. Um, but then, yeah, then some shit happened. Okay, so what I was hoping to have tonight was a how-to for everybody, an updated README on how to install the backend and get that set up. That's not what I have. But I still want to show everybody the progress and um, in order to get data out and hashed passwords, there was some talk of fixtures. I don't know that fixtures can hash the passwords like we're needing to do, but if I'm wrong, oh well. But when you set up the backend, the first thing or one thing, unless it's changed, but this would be step one, and that's just go on and create all the users. I set up a little helper script to do that. All right. And then we can add everybody's name and stuff. But what that does is looky here. We have all the users. And the first user it's set up is an admin, and we'll show how that works. But that's just a list of users. And then I also have a Postgres script or a SQL script, not Postgres. It's a SQL script. I could make this long, but we can just go on and do this. And looky here, we also now have posts. Woohoo! So this is what can give William in this way we can give William more interaction and like setting up instead of using fixtures we can set up data this way. I'm exhausted. Like I said, I spent 5 hours rebuilding the database and having to clean up my computer, but I still want to show you guys what we have. So having said that, auth is working a little bit better. So this is the same as one of the users that we loaded. So we're using tokens and we go on and send you gotta after you run it, you gotta go on and run that server. There we go. Okay, so now it's working. So, and then I'm just going to show everything that I've gotten so far. So we can go on and do that. All right. So, and this is an admin user, but so here we can go on. We've got CRUD 22. Just remember that. There it is. And it's got gives all the stuff, and then we can get all the posts. And I'm showing you this Taylor and Giovanni because here are the endpoints. And then this doesn't need authorization. Anybody like I was thinking like, you know, you know what? I don't know if this works. Oh, it does. Yay! It does. It did, and then I broke it, and then I got it working. I'm so glad. I'm exhausted, guys. But here we go. And then so that was we had that. Well, it works. I've already tested this before, but that was the same like as create post. Only I put this stuff, all these Star Wars people around, and then we can go on and get rid of that too. I hope so. Don't make a liar out of me. Yeah, it deleted it. Oh, here we can get all post, and so it's not. It's there now, but Let's see. Yep, no results. It's gone. All right, awesome. Okay, so these only last like 5 minutes, so we'll just grab another one, and it's like, so here's just a check if it's an admin. Sorry, I've checked all this. I should have cleared those out. So if an admin wants to promote another admin to staff, they can do this, and we can make a more elaborate thing. I'm just trying to get this stuff like down so we can work it, and then hey, we're gonna have to get a token again. Beep boop. And then we're gonna go on and promote a user. There we go. Okay, see, John Doe is now staff. Staff is the built-in Django for admin. Um, and then let's go on and user. We're going to register a user. Yep, this guy is about to be yeeted, but we've made him, and we can get all users. Beep boop boop boop. Hey, okay, so yeah, so you front end you have to pass the token or grab the, I forget how you save it. And get all users. Boom 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 boom. Come on. There they all are. Is he down there at the bottom? Yes, he is. And yeah, and he was yeeted into oblivion. He's not there anymore, just in case you guys were worried. I promise he's gone. Well, it mixes him up sometimes. It's frustrating, but I promise he's gone. He's gone. I can do some more verification. In fact, it should have given a 204. Oh, it gave a message. Yeah. All right, we're good. All right. So we made a user. Let's update a user real quick to which not to admin, but just to shoot. I swear to God, I had that. You know what? We're going to skip that. But and then friend request. All right. So right now, of course, we don't have any friend request, right? Um, but let's go on and send us a friend request. I might have to get another token here. Nope, we got it. Now this is kind of cool. Um, because we show who is uh asking to be friends with John Doe. I'm asking to be friends with John Doe, and it's in a pending status. I still need to go through the rest of these and make sure they work. I'm sorry. I'm tired. I'm tired. I just wanted to get this. I'm about to go to bed, but I want to get this progress. I want to start working on it tomorrow. Again, okay, so we've got that. But what's cool is we've got polymorphic notifications that it takes an object and then it populates based off that. We don't have I haven't done comments yet either, but comments are pretty easy after post. But so here we have a notification and it's got who triggered it, created at, and then seen as we talked. Um, but yeah, that is the majority of the meat and potatoes that we've got. But we've got notifications, comments, not comments. Golly, I'm tired. Notifications, friend request, and then we can add notifications to like the other things, like when if you're friends with somebody and they post something. Um, but anyway, I know everybody's jonesing to get to work, and so we need. I wanted to show like we're definitely going to have way more progress for soon. I've pushed up what I've got. I'm going to continue to work on it. I'm sorry, I took like 6 hours to fix my friggin' database. I'm sorry, but any old way, um that's where we are, and I'm gonna save the or I already exported the Postman collection, and we can we can send. I'm going to send that over. So those endpoints are good. And yeah, let's see. Is there anything else? Okay, this video is long enough. But all right, appreciate you guys. I hope this was 10 minutes. Holy moly. Um, Shit. If you made it this far, awesome. All right. Good night.